Have you ever found yourself copying and pasting the same data over and over again? Or maybe you check your email just to move a file from one folder to another. How about reminding yourself to do the same exact task every single day? If any of that sounds familiar, then Power Automate was built just for you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what Power Automate is, how it works, and why it's a game changer, especially for beginners. So, what is Power Automate? Simply put, it's Microsoft's automation tool that lets your repetitive work run automatically in the background. Instead of you sitting there clicking buttons, Power Automate watches for something specific to happen, like a new email arriving in your inbox or a file being created in a folder, and then it takes the action for you. Think of it like a personal digital assistant that never forgets, never gets tired, and works around the clock. Everything in Power Automate starts with a trigger. A trigger is just the event that kicks off the whole process, or what we call a flow. Imagine your workflow is like a waterfall. At the very top, a single drop of water falls. That drop is your trigger. An email arrives, a file is added to OneDrive, someone presses a button in an app, or a piece of data changes in a spreadsheet. That one single event starts everything. As the water begins to flow downward, it hits each ledge in a specific order. Each ledge represents an action in your workflow. The first ledge might be an action to read the data from that initial trigger. The next ledge could be an action to filter that data, keeping only what's important. As the water continues down, another ledge could be an action to send an email notification. The next one might update a SharePoint list. Notice how the water never goes backward. It moves step by step, smoothly and automatically, following the exact path you designed. What if the stream of water splits? That's what we call a condition. One stream flows this way if a certain condition is true, and the other stream flows a different way if it's false. For example, if an invoice amount is over $1,000, send it to a manager for approval. If not, just archive it. And what if the water seems to loop back over some rocks? That's a loop. It repeats the same action or set of actions over and over again until the job is done. Maybe it needs to process every single row in an Excel file. The loop will handle each one by one, until it reaches the end. When the water finally reaches the bottom of the waterfall, the work is complete. All of this happened without a single click, without any manual reminders, and without any effort from you. You just get the results. But Power Automate isn't just about speed. It's about letting your work flow consistently, predictably, and without interruption, just like a waterfall that never stops running once you set it in motion. So if you're ready to stop doing repetitive, manual work and start focusing on the things that truly matter, Power Automate is the perfect place to start. It's your first step into a world where you work smarter, not harder. If this video helped you understand automation a little better, do me a favor and hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials, and let me know you're ready by commenting "Automate" down below. Now, go build your first flow and let the work run itself. Thanks for watching.